Hi y'all, so I'm out here tonight for dinner. I have some tacos. I decided to do tortillas. This is well into 600 calories, and I'm going to have my soda as well. So 600 and 240. It's not really a full soda, but it's almost full soda, so I'm just going to say 240. So that's 840, and that leaves me like another 400 or 500 calories, but I'm starving, I'm not even gonna lie. And at least I'm eating food. So let's enjoy this. Starving. I have cheese, sour cream, tomatoes, lettuce, olives, and some hot sauce. So yummy. Let's dig in.
What's hot sauce?
This taco sauce. Oh god.
It's weird looking at that.
Oh god. Yeah.
Doesn't that look weird, like right above the can?
Oh my god. So good. I can tell you that those meal replacements do make you appreciate the one meal you can have. Okay. So freaking hungry.
I got pasta.
Okay, out.
I got tin. I got bear.
Okay,
I got pink bear.
Please be quiet. Mama's making a video.
I got pink bear. And I got my yellow shirt. And I got the pieces of bear. And my
Stop.
man will stop. And more. Goodbye.
I'm going so good. Yeah, I was starving. I know how bad I want to eat junk food. So, Friday throughout the day, I have to stick to strictly my meal replacements and pickles. Or cucumbers. Because I'm going to be having wine. So, God. So good. Literally, I was starving. Oh my goodness. Stop. Well, he's close to getting kicked the hell out of this video. We were watching KK Baby J. Oh my god, you're all so good. I know I'm kind of full already.
I got pink bear.
Can you please get out?
I need red pink is so I got pink bear.
Cool.
Yes, you was. You too, mommy. Jesus, I really lost my voice.
I'm so full. I sound like a sucking tongue. Mmm. Oh my gosh. I am so full. Stop. Please stop making noises. My camera picks it up. Mmm. Ow. What are you doing? Jordan. I know a kid named Jordan is how I feel about him.
Mom, can you see my Coke bottle on the camera?
If you can't see your Coke bottle on the camera, then nobody else can either.
I can.
No, you can't. Oh.
Yes, I can.
It's your damn shirt, boy.
What's that thing there?
Oh my god. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna make steak and potatoes. That's another thing. I got better on my meal replacements. I gotta eat better. I actually eat dinner. No, I do. Not asking you.
She ate ice cream last night.
No, I didn't. You fucking liar.
I find she didn't eat ice cream. She ate raspberries. Wait, no, wait. No, you ate oranges. For dessert.
Yeah, that was my dinner. I had oranges. I didn't really make dinner. So, I tend to make dinner more when I have my meal replacements and on my schedule. I'm a schedule kind of gal, man. I can't help it. I am so full. I feel like I'm going to literally vomit.
Ew.
Ugh. Disgusting. Stop, please. Or you can leave the kitchen. Mm. Oh my god, y'all.
Oh.
I literally felt mom puke. Here, go throw the fork in the sink.
Go through the fork in the sink.
Steve and John. So I hope you'll enjoy this quick mukbang for dinner. My Taco Tuesday.
Give it 3 thumbs ups.
If you haven't yet, hit that like button. Take that whole lid off, please. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. And I will see you all tomorrow in our next daily vlog. Evie, peace.